When a minor is charged with a crime and prosecuted for a crime, he or she has really most of the same rights that an adult does. The minor is presumed innocent. The minor must be proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The minor has the right to have an attorney, to present evidence. The only right that the minor really does not have in juvenile court is the right to a jury trial, because in juvenile court the trials are in front of a judge. But parents have a right in this process too. Parents have the right to be informed when the child is arrested or detained. The parents have a right to go to court and be present at the court proceedings and address the judge. The parents have a right to visit the child in juvenile hall if he or she is held in custody. And the parents have the right to inspect the court file. One question that I get quite often is, do parents have a right to be present when the minor is questioned by police? And the answer is not necessarily. If the police arrest a child and properly advise them of their Miranda rights, and the child voluntarily agrees to talk to the police, then the parents do not have a right to be present. And so that's why I advise parents all the time, instruct your children if they're ever suspects in a crime and questioned by the police, always demand to have an attorney and parents present before talking with them. Another question that I get quite often is, if my child is detained in juvenile hall, can I go and get him and bring him home? And the answer there too is not necessarily. If the child is held in juvenile hall, then you have the right to have a detention hearing within 2 to 3 days of the arrest, where a judge will decide whether to send the child home. And you can certainly be present at the hearing and give your input, but ultimately it's in the judge's discretion. The important thing to know is that if you have a child who's in the juvenile court system, that your child has rights and you have rights, and a good, savvy, experienced criminal defense lawyer can help you and your child exercise those rights to avoid a juvenile record, to stay out of custody, and to get your child home. And if you or your child are in that situation, we invite you to call us here at Schaus Law Group.